I didn't even put that much. Oh my God. How is that possible? Now today's video is one of those experiments that can either go really surprisingly well or horrifically wrong very quickly. Right here we've got Pagan Gold Candy Concentrate from House of Color. We've had this on the shelf for like a year.
Yeah.
We couldn't think of how we wanted to use it, but we knew we wanted to do something interesting with it. So we decided we were going to mix it into a pearl. Enhance that pearl with gold candy. Sounds like a good idea, right? Right. The pearl that we chose is one that we haven't used for a long time. Very popular pearl back in the day. This is Neochrome Color Shift. So Gabe's gonna give us a breakdown of the colors you can find in Neochrome Color Shift.
Blues, purples, pinks.
Blues, purples, pinks. Let me show you a little bit of what this powder looks like. If you've been around a long time, you've seen Neochrome. It was one of the most popular pearls that we had in the beginning. I don't know how much of that you can see, but yeah, blues, definitely pinks, a little bit of purples. Is there a little green in there?
No, I think more amber.
Amber, okay. Now, we're gonna start here. Because we're using a candy concentrate, we're gonna start with a little glossy top coat. We want that extra clarity and shine. When it comes to pigment load, pretty easy because we're thinking kind of right in the middle at 50 grams a gallon. We don't want too much where it's gonna suffocate the candy. We don't want not enough where the pearl's not gonna be able to fight against the candy. We've gotta find that balance. So 50 grams of Neochrome. But when it comes to how much candy we're gonna put in, I mean, there isn't really a measurement for that, right?
No.
We're just gonna go until...
You could just full send it.
With the whole bottle?
Yeah.
Oh my God, this man has changed. I'm worried about you. Okay, maybe I'm rubbing off on him too much. So here's Neochrome. You can see there's a lot going on in here. It's a gorgeous pearl. I can't believe we haven't used this in so long. So we're gonna mix this together a little bit. And then here comes the Pagan Gold. Is this a dark gold or like a bling bright gold?
It's, well, it depends on how much you use.
Okay, I'm gonna start going, wow. It is all right, I don't know if you guys are gonna see it. It's completely changing the top. I can see it swirling around in there. What if it does? Okay. I did not expect it to react. Oh my God, the top is completely different. I may have already gone overboard. I did not expect it to react this way.
Wow, we're pulling out, almost looks like a green now.
I didn't even put that much. Hold on. That changed a lot. Okay, let's see what the old stick of truth has to say. Because, okay. Oh my God. Hold on. Dude, that is not what Neochrome is supposed to look like. What did we do? Wait, this doesn't look anything like the liquid. How is that possible? How does gold candy... Dude, can you guys see that blue at the... I don't even know what I'm doing. Do we not put more? We don't, right?
If you like what you're seeing right there.
Do you like what we're seeing right here?
I mean, it's very interesting.
I feel like we kind of take the chance that we just kind of stumbled into something really cool and then just not mess with it and spray it as it is.
We can. I'm cool with whatever.
Pagan Gold Candy Concentrate, Neochrome. Going down on, what are we working on? The M3, black base. Let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the project. Now, these candy concentrates can be super unpredictable, at least the way that we utilize them. It completely changed the color profile of the Neochrome. We didn't know what to expect. We definitely didn't expect this. This is one of the coolest color combos that we've made in a very long time. And the best part is no pearls that we have look like this. This is why I love doing experiments like this, because you never know what you're going to get, and you come up with some really cool stuff without even trying. I'm going to take it outside right now. You know what to do. Take a good look at the car. Leave a comment below. Rate this color combo 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. If you want to dip your own car, your own wheels, your own emblems, all of our kits are in one place right here. I had a ton of fun on this project. I hope you enjoy watching it. I'll see you guys in the next video.